How's it going, guys? I hope you've all had an excellent week. In today's video, we'll be talking about Amazon. Now, they just recently released their third quarter results. Investors were not happy with the numbers. They did slightly miss on their Amazon Web Service and their fourth quarter expected earnings. Now, what I did is I took advantage of these negative numbers to buy into Amazon today. So in the video, I'll be showing you why I think Amazon is an excellent investment for today and moving forward. And I'll go ahead and share my portfolio with you guys and show you just how much Amazon I purchased today. So with that being said, hit the like and subscribe and let's jump into today's video. All right, guys. Amazon stock, have we been gifted another opportunity again to purchase a stock? Yes, we have. Not only is this company down over 40% because of the current macroeconomic situation that we're facing in, but after hours today, the stock dropped another 12%, and I went ahead and took advantage of this because looking at the numbers, given the current macroeconomic situation that we're in, this is honestly not that bad. So going over the numbers, right? Revenue, $127.10 billion versus expected $127.46 billion. Not a large miss, by no means at all. Amazon Web Services, 20.5 billion, and Wall Street was expecting 21.1 billion. Again, not a huge miss given the current macroeconomic situation that we're in. Looking at advertising, they beat advertising with 9.55 billion versus 9.48 billion. One area where Amazon did also take a hit was in their fourth quarter projections. They're only projecting a 2.5% increase over the holiday season. While this is not a lot, it's still an increase, and that is why I am still convinced that this is an excellent company to be investing in. So let's look at some more reasons why I think it's such a great company. Alright guys, so why I think Amazon is an excellent opportunity despite the negative numbers that came out today. Let's ignore those numbers and let's look at the company itself and what they're offering. Now, Amazon is obsessed over the customer experience. And I want to say over the last roughly 15 purchases that I made, there was one purchase I was not satisfied with. I requested a refund. I instantly received a refund code to my phone, took a drive down the road, dropped it off at my local UPS, and I got the money in my account the same day for that item. So the customer service is excellent. Now, for my international viewers, the NFL is a huge, National Football League is a huge sport here in the United States. It's part of the American culture, and Amazon owns Thursday Night Football. So you have Thursday Night Football, then you have Sunday football, and you have Monday football. And because people are having rough, hectic weeks, they look forward to that Thursday Night Football because it's kind of like breaking up the week. And it's something that people tune into, and Amazon owns that night, and they had over 15 million views for their first game. So just imagine they have their own advertising to 15 million views for that night game, which is amazing. They also have new fulfillment centers, and I can run through this list. There's so many reasons why Amazon is an amazing company. Just near where I live, I've seen 2 fulfillment centers go up. There are expanding fulfillment centers in US, Mexico, Canada, Ireland, and Turkey. They also expanded to Belgium with the introduction of the new Amazon.com.be. They're continuing to form partnerships with different companies. And this was interesting too, that I did not know. They rolled out Venmo as a new payment option in the US. And I think it is just a matter of time before they start accepting cryptocurrency as a payment on Amazon. And when that news is announced, it's going to be a catalyst for cryptocurrency. Not financial advice, but I just believe that it's a matter of time before Amazon accepts cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Let's take a look at some more interesting positive information here. The AWS, now the Amazon Web Service, this is focused on data storage and servers, and this is a huge part of their revenue. If you look at companies, there are, I want to say, millions of companies, potentially, let's say hundreds of thousands of companies that rely on Amazon Web Services to maintain their servers, their website, their business. Huge companies like Fortune 500 companies that use Amazon so that they can maintain their businesses. So if you look at those types of situations, you see why Amazon is such an important part of the world business economy. They're focused on their employees as well. They are increasing the average hourly wage to $19 per hour, increasing and investing in employee pay by $1 billion. And they plan to hire 150,000 people for the seasonal holiday season coming up. So if you're looking at all these positives, we use Amazon. We have Amazon streaming. We have Alexa that is tapping into the smart home market. We purchase items, Amazon is such a huge part of our lives. So when I was driving home from work today, I had no intention of purchasing into Amazon, but driving home from work today, I was watching when the earnings came out, and they were trading at $111 prior to earnings. The numbers came out not as what Wall Street expected, which honestly is not that bad. Amazon dropped to $88.99, so $89. I got home, I fired up the laptop. I was like, I can't let this opportunity go by. I went ahead and I got in a little bit higher at $91.79, but I'm up now $45 from that purchase. So I think it was a good buy-in. I did not put a lot of money into it, but if we go ahead and look at their year, so if we look at a year from now, they were at $183 and now sitting at 96. So on discount, a huge sale, a huge opportunity. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just something that I'm doing. It's a company that I believe in, and it's a company that I'm going to continue believing in because it affects our lives in so many ways, and we use this company and they're focused on the customer. I just love it. So guys, that is the video for today. Go ahead and please let me know if you are interested in this company. Let me know what you're doing. If you're sitting on the side, if you're investing, I appreciate your likes. I appreciate your support. New video every Friday, sometimes a Wednesday. Thank you guys. Look after each other. Keep investing. Keep your head in the game. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Cheers.